Hello everyone, welcome back to my Singapore-style home cooking channel. Today, I'm making a delicious Western dish, salmon with lemon sauce. It's simple, refreshing, and perfect for any meal. If you prefer a stronger tangy kick, just add a bit more lemon to suit your taste. Let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients you will need to marinate the salmon. 2 slices of salmon fish, 2 pieces of quarter-cut lemon, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoon olive oil, 2 teaspoon of Japanese mayo, black peppercorn. Sprinkle the salt evenly over the salmon. Sprinkle the garlic powder over the salmon. Freshly grind black pepper over the salmon. Spread a layer of Japanese mayo on the salmon. Drizzle fresh lemon juice over the salmon. Drizzle olive oil over the salmon. Place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients you'll need to pan fry the salmon. 2 pieces of quarter-cut lemon, 6 to 8 whole cloves of garlic, 2 generous slices of butter for frying, 2 tablespoons olive oil, parsley flakes for garnish. Heat the pan over medium heat. Add olive oil to the frying pan. Toss in the garlic and salt it gently until it turns a light golden brown. Lay the salmon gently into the pan and reserve the marinade for the sauce later on. Add the butter to the frying pan. Squeeze the lemon over the salmon. Cook the salmon until it's done. Lift the salmon out of the pan and set it aside. Reduce the heat, and we'll begin preparing the sauce. Stir a little water into the marinade and pour it into the pan to start the sauce. Adjust the sauce to your taste. If the sauce gets too dry, add a little more water. Add Japanese mayo, salt and black peppercorn to enhance the flavor. If you prefer a tangier sauce, mix in a bit more lemon juice. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens, then return the salmon to the pan and cook it briefly. Plate the salmon and pour the sauce over the salmon. Finish with a light sprinkle of parsley flakes for garnish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my cooking channel so you won't miss the next delicious dish.